Cricket is on. As you can see, it is the final of MCL Morning Cricket Club, Morning Cricket League, and we have the match going on. Few drops of rain will not stop us to play this great game of cricket. It is the last innings. The fielding side already had a lead over 30 runs. The two captains who never won MCL before this one of them will be victorious today. They are. It is the final of MCL. I don't know why I cannot zoom it out. I don't know why I cannot zoom out. Wide is the call. I don't know why I cannot zoom it out, man. Okay, now you can enjoy the match. Bit of a confusion with the ball. It's wide. Okay. Look at that, in every corner people are waiting, some of them wearing the raincoats, and still they are playing. I'm giving you a fantastic view. Let's go straight back behind the bowler. Another dot ball. It's better from here. Remember, it's a 2 innings matchup. The batting side is already trailed by 30 odd runs, and it's never easy to bat here because it's completely a wet surface. Oh, what a delivery! Perfect test match bowling here. Pitched into the stump and then move away. With the bounce, it's a no. Anything which goes over the shoulder heights, it's a no ball here. So it's a free hit delivery. He misses, swing and a miss. First over gone. Only 2 runs so far. What I can promise you is a fantastic game of cricket. Bikram Kormukar, the new bowler. Aditya with the bat, the captain, playing the final. Never won a final before. He has a golden opportunity here. First ball, swing and a miss. Dot to start with. This time he connects and it's up. And bit of a confusion once again. It's a 4. Because we have 11 players in this short boundary, so that wall behind the stump is now recognized as a boundary 4. Another short delivery. This time he placed it. Fantastic feeling there, Shaun Sharif. Bit of a footwork. It doesn't matter, in the end the ball was stopped by him. Bikram to Bikram. Bikram plays the ball towards backward point and get a single. You need to get the scoreboard on. This time he connects. There was a chance, there was a mix-up. There was an opportunity to get a wicket, but in the end, you know the surface is pretty wet. It's over. 2 overs gone. Dilkhush Thakur, say hi. Yes, Shaun Sharif is a pro player. The new bowler Joy gearing up with a raincoat, bowling over the wicket. Oh, it kept low. In the end, it had no issue whatsoever. Don't go with the costume. Just enjoy the game. He connects and it's a fantastic wicket. The captain departs. The first wicket gone. It was a brilliant feeling. It's never easy when the ball is wet, the surface is wet. Shubhadeep Bose, the new man, walks into the middle. The umpire Kunal Goswami. Shubhadeep Bose, he hasn't done well with the bat so far in the tournament, but it's a big final, second innings. One last opportunity for him. Another dodge ball. The ball kept reasonably low. Change of balls. Cuts it very hard. There was a fumble and there's a chance of an out. It's a comedy of errors. It's never gonna be easy for the batters to take single, for the fielders to hold the ball at the right time and then to throw it again. A bit of crease marking. Okay. Is it well enough, Pushpo? Oh, swing and a miss. Bit of a sloppy behind the stumps by Dhruvo. But so far they are bowling really well. Remember, they are already 30 runs behind. This time it's up in the air and it's a boundary. Bikram had no chance whatsoever. After 3, it's 13. Still the batting sides are trailed by more than 15 runs. Another batter is getting ready in the dugout. Shayok Talukdar. The new bowler Shakil Ahmed. Somehow the rains become an integral part of MCL every year. Whenever we play this tournament, it doesn't matter which month of the year, it will rain. This time, what a humongous six it is. First ball and it's gone out of the stand. Welcome to the bowling mark, Shakil. That's what Bikram is saying. Just look at that. Shaun Sharif. Not at all a Sharif man with the behavior. It's a short and wide. Good delivery in the end. আর একটু আগে ওই সাইডটাতে কচু গাছের সাইডগুলোতে They're finding the ball out there. It's the ball. Sorry, I missed the ball. It's a big wicket. Bikram Sarkar departs. The man Kaka. Rajdeep Kormokar. The man with the power of an alien. He can muscle the ball like no one else. Works out into the middle. Remember, at the group stage game, he hit 7 sixes in 8 balls that he faced. That too against, obviously, us. Shaun Sharif is here. Rajdeep on strike now. Once again with Shakil. He connects and it's gone. It's a big wicket. First ball corner for Rajdeep Kormokar. Shakil suddenly gets 2 out of 2. 2 wickets in a row. First one Bikram, then it's Rajdeep Kormokar. 2 huge wickets. The man of the era of pyramids. The man who saw the dinosaurs. Now the Sanuda, the senior most person of the entire squad. Sanuda with his vast experience. First ball, it was a hat-trick delivery. Just a single. Just a single. Shakil is bowling so well so far. Has taken 2 incredible wickets. One of Bikram, then followed by the dangerous Rajdeep Kormokar.
Game changing over. This is a fact.
It's definitely the game changing over. This time balls and it's gone. 3 wickets in an over. Once again, a man is standing in a fantastic position. Udipta Shah took a fantastic catch. Remember,
It's my prediction. The game is totally in.
yes, the game is almost in. Shakil, do you want to say something?
Bole
Yes, the man who has changed the entire complexion of that game. Remember, the batting side at the beginning of this innings were trailed by 30 odd runs, and now they are losing wickets rapidly. Change in the keeping. The man who always be one of the coolest mind of this entire group that we are playing, Dhruvo, up against the experienced Sanu Da. Yes, superb field placement, patrolling at the very light, a leg sleeve and a slip. Oh, what a fielding! What a field placement! Look at that, it's incredible. Just a few steps that he moved before this ball. It's a dot ball. It's a white ball. Bouncing twice will always a dead ball here. It doesn't matter whether it bounced before the popping crease or after that. Bouncing twice is a dead ball. Placed it into the gap. Once again taking a single. Shaun Sharif, the man. A very bad throw. But in the end, no extra runs for the batters. Ramiz, a man who can bowl with both the hands. Dead ball. Because the ball bounced more than twice. Even though it's a no ball as per the law. Another wicket gone.
No ball.
But the no ball called by the umpire at the square leg. Anything which goes over the shoulder height will be a no ball. We don't have any one bounce or anything like that. The free hit to Ramiz. Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss yet again. White ball call by the umpire. Oh, swing and a miss. The repeated swing, the repeated miss. Similar looking shots, similar looking results that we are getting. Last ball of the over. This time he connects. And what a fumble catch. Catch at the very second attempt. The Ramiz, the man has to depart. I guess it will be Shayok Talukdar. If I may not wrong this time. Yes. No, I'm not supporting this kind of gesture that has been shown by the fielder. But eventually they are playing really, really well. Shayok Talukdar, the new man, is in the non-striker end. Shubhankar Rudra, better known as Chundri, at the bowling crease. Dhruvo once again winning another MCL title. This over will be very, very interesting. He connects, and he goes into the fence. 6 to start the over. Shubhankar Rudra feeling pressure because the first ball, oh yes, 1 run minus from the fielding side. 1 run minus from the fielding side because they have abused, because they have said a wrong word. And we are promoting the spirit of the game. So we are strictly avoiding any kind of slang languages. So if anyone said anything which is an unparliamentary word, his team will suffer by deducting 1 single run from their total. White ball down the leg side. Fantastic wicket keeping. Swing and miss. First ball gone for the 6. The second ball is a wide, and it's a third one. Oh, it's by 4. Extra 4. It's always frustrating for the bowlers. Look at that. We have some unexpected, uninvited guest on the ground. We have another. Let me tell you, among this 10 over, 1 is a mandatory power play that you have at the very first over. Then there will be another power play. Whenever the batting side will want to take, they can. And there is a challenge over. This time he connects. When he connects, he only deals in 6s. Second 6 of the over.
না না ওরা বলটা খুঁজতে লাগবে না বলটা মনে গ্লুকা রাখছিস তো
Once again he connects. There was a chance of fielder, but it's four more. 20 runs so far. 21, bigger pardon, along with a wide. 2 sixes, 1 boundary with the bat, 1 boundaries off by, and a wide. 21 so far. And the got up. This is a kind of comeback that you have expect from a bowler without saying any word. You hit me for two consecutive sixes in an over, and I am taking your wicket. These are kind of comebacks you expect from a bowler. I can remember what happened in Bengaluru in 1996 World Cup. Venkatesh Prasad has delivered that, and that exactly same kind of thing has been done by Shubhankar Rudra. The Rakshik will be the winning captain. It will be his first MCL Cup if everything goes well. It's a challenge over. They have challenged 4 runs. I mean, if they get 4 runs, they will get 2 extra runs. That means a 50%. Oh, what they have said, 6 runs. So if they score 6 runs in this over, they will get 3 runs extra. First ball of the challenge over. He connects. Where are the bells?
তো ইয়ে স্ট্যাম্পটা ঠিক কর একটা অফ স্ট্যাম্পটা এদিকে আছে নম্বরের দিকে মার মার কিছু হয়ে গেল বলে সামনে সামনে করে মার
Swing and a mix. You need, yes, you need 6 of the last 4 deliveries of this over to get the challenge completed. And somehow dead ball. And if somehow the batters do not able to make that run, whatever they have challenged, then the 50% of the challenge to run will be deducted. That means they have challenged 6 runs. If they couldn't get 6, 3 runs will be deducted. Outside edge, yet again a fantastic fielding position. 3 dot balls. Left arm over the wicket. Ball him. Last wicket. Bornomoy Kaur. Bornomoy Kaur. He was holding the umbrella for a long time. Now finally. It's a live going on in Instagram. Look at that, the gigantic guest. Last wicket. And it's a corner. Is it the last wicket? No. The last wicket. The last man is still alive. The topper. The topper. Or the Moinak. Moinak comes into bat. Topper comes. It's an insult. He was almost there to get his chance. But the way Moinak snatched the bat, that's a good thing that he hasn't said anything. So the last 2 wickets are remaining. Moinak. He connects. It's a power play. So 2 players will stand outside the non-strikers end wicket. And the rest of everybody will be close to the batters. Only 2 fielders are allowed.
ও প্লেয়ার হিসেবে খুবই ভালো কিন্তু যদি এখন বলতে হয় টিমটা চাপবে সেটা হবে জো চাপবে কি
Edge and dropped. Fantastic attempt. Tonoy was there feeling at the sleep. Uddeep to the man with the ball. Oh, swing and a miss. Two consecutive dot balls. Every dot ball will put pressure. Wide outside and out of off stump. He connects. Dilkhush was there. Fantastic throw and a run out. Last wicket, the last man who can be the savior for his team. Aditya is hoping something miracle to happen. Aditya, how many times you played the MCL and how many times you were in the losing side?
It's my second time
Into the finals.
into the finals.
Oh, and how many times you were there as a captain?
It's a 7-8 season.
The proper RCB kind of feeling. Even though RCB is now an IPL champion. Swing and a miss once again. Was it an age? There might be. Yes! Oh! He misses. The chance of a run out, he misses. There was an overthrow. আমি দেখিনি ওটা
আরে এটাই তো বাউন্ডারি তো
না না, he was there. He gave all his efforts. There was another chance. Just look at that. These are kind of efforts that you want to see. The rain has not been able to stop us to play this great game of cricket. Remember, it's a kind of reunion tournament. All of us gets time when there is a holiday or something like that. During puja and during elections, when everybody is there, we play that. Dead ball. Dead ball. Do you want to say something?
ডেড বল বাট নাইস বল
Dead ball but nice ball. The captain is very happy. He is going to win his first ever MCL. And it's a winning moment. It's a winning moment. They won by an innings. But no joy at all. As if they were highly confident. They almost destroyed the opponents. Got a 30-odd runs lead in the first after the first innings. Now they want a comprehensive victory. The man who played superbly well in prior to this final is disappointed. He should be, because he has done extremely well for his team. The Brazilian Prithom is out there. Bikram Sarkar. Do you want to say anything, sir?
আমরা রানার্স ইজিলি এর থেকে তো বেশি রান করতাম আমরা এর থেকে তো বেশি রান করতাম
Shubhadeep Bose.
এর থেকে রান করতাম আমরা
And look at that. That's the kind of spirit you want. Shayok Talukdar, after being defeated a final, doing his practice for the next season.
এটা এখনো আছে বাকি আছে খেলা
Huh?
খেলা বাকি আছে হ্যাঁ
Huh? How many runs you scored?
তোমার অবধি খেলা বাকি আছে বুঝলে
তোরা 31 এর উপরে করছিস? কয় রান টার্গেট? ও 19 run is the target. Oh, there is a game. I thought that they have already won it. No. 19 runs to win. Sorry, beg your pardon. I said a lot of good things, but wait, because the match is still going on. We need to have some scoreboards out there to get all the access. Just look at this in the Brazilian. Even though the Brazil has no chance, I guess, winning the FIFA World Cup, but the dance moves are fantastic. Even though we came third in a tournament, we gave our best. Just look at that.
We give our best.
We gave our best, even though we came third in a tournament where we have only 3 teams. So, nevertheless, we are happy with our performance, whatever we have done so far. The man Ramesh, the Shakil. Shakil, do you want to say anything? Just look at that, the dancing moves. He's better as a dancer and also done extremely well whenever his team needs him with the ball and with the bat. Remember, he is the man who took all those crucial wickets. First Bikram, then... Okay, the 19 runs are needed. "19 runs needed." It's a cricket, so anything can happen. Do you still believe that you can win that match? No, they don't believe in it. Captain, do you believe that you can still win the game? Oh, they are saying it is impossible.
Our captain don't speak English. So he said only the I believe in.
I believe in Jassi Bhaiya.
Jassi bhai. Actually, we only believe in Jassi bhai.
Rami is the man who can bowl with both the hands. And
This is my specialty, and I practice it since when I was in class 6. So I can bowl with 2 hands. This is my specialty, but money, fitness does not support me.
money!
Obviously.
Oh my goodness! Shubhadeep Bose! He's saying that money doesn't support him. Money!
Fitness.
Oh my God, a man who gets at least more than 30,000 per month only by the renting.
I'm totally unemployed. How are you?
Or even though he's unemployed, but I don't think that you need.
At least I.
Okay. I get it. It's a power play. So once again we are in the finals. Bikram Kormokar, the man on strike. First ball flicked away. Bit of a sloppy fielding by Moinak. Just needed 19s to win. Dhruvo, the coolest campaign. White ball. Too wide. उल्टा रखना पुका डॉट बॉल he connects and it's a 6. First 6. The umpires or the Billy Brown style. The Kamruj. I'm a better. Did the captain give you something? He cuts and cuts very hard through the offside. 4 more. 10 of the 2 consecutive deliveries. First with a boundary 6, then a boundary 4, followed by that. We have already 11 runs. Oh, now over the wicket. Will it make a difference? Oh, what a delivery! The batsman slept. Fantastic. Yes, it's too slippery out there. He cuts and cuts through the offside. 4 more. Just 3 runs needed. Just 3 runs needed. They are planning for a victory parade. They are planning for the victory parade. 3 runs needed. Now Shubhadeep Bose, the man with the ball, comes to bowl. Yes, they are ready. We need only 3 runs to get our new champion. Rakshik will be the captain. It's a full toss. Overthrows could make it no. The captain was patrolling there at long on. Dot ball. Oh, it's zip. Just look at that. They are ready there. Where he connects. Bikram finishing the offense style. As you can see, the Shahun Sharif of all the scenes out there. Everybody is enjoying. Just look at the scenes. It's a great joy here at Myanmar. The Rakshik 11, they won their first ever MCL title. Just look at the scenes. They are joying with even grace. Rakshik with his heavyweight body now will jump onto the water. Yes! Look at the scenes. It's a great joy. Incredible celebration. Just look at that. Just enjoy these moments. It's a sheer joy as they won their first ever MCL title. Just look at that, they are dancing. Shahun Sharif. They are looking for another one. They are looking to get another drive in the water. Now this time, I should get a best view. Just look at that. It's a water, man. It will be a fantastic to watch. 2, 1. As the Rakshik and everybody gets their first ever MCL title. The celebration that they deserve. On a count of 3. Just look at that, the celebration! Woohoo! Yes, the celebration that they deserve as they own their first ever MCL title. The Rakshik man who tried his all hard the previous seasons finally tested.
কেউ বলবে আমাদের কলেজ শেষ তারপর আমরা এইভাবে খেলতেছি
I just look at that.
তারপর আমরা এরকম সেলিব্রেশন করছি বাচ্চাদের মধ্যে এটা দেখা যাবে কি
I want to look at that. I just look at that. They all are college password students. Some of them are getting jobs. Some of them are doing their jobs at the central government post. Rakshik having his own business. Just look at that, the celebration as they are getting. These are incredible scenes. I think this is what we are expecting. It is incredible. Rakshik, the captain. First time he won MCL, Morning Cricket League. Everything goes well as they ends up winning it. Now it's time for the trophies to go the deserving team as they done extremely well, beaten all the teams. 1 run minus? Just minus 1 run?
Yes, -1, -2, that's my all run.
Whatever runs they get. What they are going? Oh, they are going to bring the trophies. But it was an incredible match. Signing off from here. Bye-bye, see you. I hope you all have enjoyed that. Thank you so much. Where to end it? Share the video. I don't know. I have never gone live in Instagram, and I don't know how to stop that.